Hey guys, this is Jesse here at Jesse Lee Strength and Fitness. Hey, this is going to be a quick recap of run number 12 of my 5K training program using the Garmin Connect app, the Jeff Galloway program. Today's run went really well. This is the Saturday run. So the way the running program works is I do 2 drill workouts earlier in the week. So this was Monday, Thursday, I believe, this past week, where I'm doing my cadence drills, working on the running kind of fundamentals, getting my stride right, working on my conditioning in an appropriate manner. And then on the longer run, which is a Saturday run, which was today a 1 mile run, I get to kind of put it all to work, right? So we practice and then we do the task, and then we go back and we practice again and we do the task, and we build skills as we go, and we increase and all of the kind of micro elements that make for a good performance. All the while, we work on craft, we work on all of the things that are fun. We get joy out of getting a little bit better. And that's why I like doing this program, and that's why I like having something where I can kind of track how things are progressing and give me some real metrics. And also just having the mindfulness of what am I doing, who's doing it, where are we going, all of those types of things. So let me recap this run for you here. It was a 12-minute warm-up. So on the 12-minute warm-up, I'm doing some run, walk, run work. So I did a 2-minute walk. I did my warm-up in the gym. All of that kind of important ankle, hip mobility, and then some glute activation to make sure that I stay healthy. 2-minute walk, 6-minute jog, and a 4-minute walk. I kind of just wanted, since I was running a mile, I wanted to go ahead and, cover a little bit of distance on the 6 minutes, just at a light pace, just so I can kind of work on my skills. And then on the run, what I really tried to do was utilize the cadence work. What I've been noticing with the cadence work is I was trying to run faster by increasing my stride. Rather than trying to do that, I try to just shorten my stride and increase my steps per minute, which made all of the difference in the world as far as how I felt. It's still a little bit, it's not like exactly perfect, but it's definitely moving me in the right direction. I think to keep me healthy as a novice or as a person who, enjoys running. So I want to basically go out and have a good time. I don't want to get hurt. I want to get a little bit better, and I want to feel pretty good. So those are my main goals, and I want to make sure my training program aligns with those things. So I went out and ran the mile. It went really well, I'll have to say. I had some great improvements. And then on the way home, I actually, it was a 10-minute cool down, and I just shortened it to an 8 just because I was kind of done and ready, and I had a walk, and I was back at the house, and I was fine. So I did a 3-minute walk, a 2-minute jog, and then a 3-minute walk on the way home. So the workout was a little bit shorter, and I did 2.74 miles. So I'm getting close to that 5K distance. But this is what I'm super excited about, was a 7:31 mile. So I ran a mile in 7 minutes, 31 seconds, which I felt like was pretty good for this early in the season. So it gives me some optimism as I look to break get into the 6-minute mark. And down into the 6:30s, which is kind of some of the goals that I have for myself throughout this training cycle. Not necessarily this one, but further down, because I plan to run. It's early May now, and so I plan on running through kind of October. So I'm hoping by then that my mile goal is like in the 6:30s, so even 6:20. So we'll just kind of see. It's fine whether I get there or not. Not that big of a deal, but it's fun. And so the last time I did this exact same workout, I got 2.77 miles, which is really great because I actually shortened my cool down by 2 minutes. So I probably would have exceeded that. But then this is I'm really excited about. I shaved off a bunch of time. That's at 8-minute 18 on the last workout, and I got 7:31 on this workout. And I did that by not increasing my stride, but by decreasing my stride and quickening my pace, my steps per minute. So my cadence is coming up. I'm getting a little bit faster. It's helping me control my stride length, and it's really working out for me. And I feel like that's moving me in the right direction. And I'm just becoming more mindful as I do these runs and my conditioning's improving. So those are all really exciting things, and those kind of things are in alignment for where I'm trying to head. And if I think back at my training week, I think it feels like I'm moving in the right direction. So I hope that helps. It's been a lot of fun just bringing you guys along on this journey, and I hope you're getting something out of it too. Thanks.